Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Power on the Xbox, sign into your account, and make sure the laptop has space and admin access. Connect either via HDMI into a capture card or set up the Xbox app for streaming over the same Wi-Fi. Once done, install OBS or confirm the Xbox app is updated, and update GPU drivers so encoding runs smoothly. This gets you past basic checks and into the actionable connection step right away. Don't skip driver updates. Now connect the hardware and configure your capture source. If using a capture card, plug HDMI from the Xbox into the card and USB into the laptop, then open OBS and add a video capture device. Choose your capture card, set resolution and FPS to match the Xbox output, and scale the canvas. If using the Xbox app, enable console streaming and select your console. Make sure audio routing is correct. Pick capture card audio or set Windows to capture the default playback device. Finish by testing and optimizing. Start a local recording or stream, watch video for sync and lag, and tweak bitrate, encoder preset, and buffering until playback is smooth. Make sure resolution and FPS match the Xbox output. If you see frame drops, lower bitrate or use hardware encoding. If something fails, check HDMI and USB connections, update capture card firmware and drivers, restart the Xbox app or OBS, and switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet to eliminate network issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.